Welcome to the J-Well Book Club. My name is Chaim Eckstein and we are covering this month's book, Eat That Frog with Brian Tracy. And the last principle out of the 21 principles, we covered how dangerous technology is and it can steal away your life. But in this principle number 16, we're going to talk about technology is a wonderful servant if used correctly. Use your technological tools to confront yourself with what is the most important thing and protect yourself from what is least important. You must discipline yourself to treat technology as a servant, not as a master. I am in control of this. This is not in control of me. The purpose of technology is to make your life smoother and easier, not to create complexity, confusion, and stress. So make sure, resolve today to turn off all notifications except to what you really need, your emergency channels. Create the special areas in your digital life for your most important tasks. And resolve to research and install one piece of software or one app that will help you be more efficient and focused and not let you be sidetracked with unimportant things. And we are now up to number 17 after we discussed some key important principles that surround technology. And now we're going to talk about focus your attention. Stop the interruptions and distractions that interfere with completing your most important tasks. After an internet or phone interruption, you're in the middle of doing something and all of a sudden you are interrupted with a phone call or with an email or with a message, a text message. It takes about 17 minutes for you to shift your total attention back to your task and continue working. This is precisely why so many people today are working harder and harder, shifting from email and phone calls, interruptions to work and back again. Phone calls, work, emails, text messages, and back to work all day long and getting less and less accomplished. They also make more mistakes because they have to be all over the place all the time. Very important, focus your attention. This is what I'm doing now, and I'm not letting anybody, anything, not technology, not human beings, nobody is able to interrupt me while I'm working on my most important tasks. If you do that, it's going to save you a ton of time. It's going to make you much more efficient, and you're going to become much better at what you do. And we are up to number 18. Slice and dice the task. Sometimes people have such huge tasks. It looks like, when will they complete that? It's going to take me days, months to complete that. Slice and dice it. Break large, complex tasks down into bite-sized pieces and then just do one small part of the task to get started. If you do that, it's going to give you a sense of accomplishment, a sense of completion. You don't have that big thing anymore. Yeah, it started with something big, but then you have it broken down to 10, 20, 100 pieces. And I accomplished one thing. I accomplished two things. I accomplished 10 things. And this way, you become much more efficient. You become much more enthusiastic in accomplishing your task because you don't have this huge task anymore. You only have this one thing to do. Let's say you have 100 calls to make. Make now 5 calls, 10 calls, and then another 5. This way, you can get the satisfaction of accomplishing your tasks without having the burden of having such a huge task at your hand that you don't know if you're going to be able to accomplish it. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for the next principle of success from Brian Tracy out of the 21 principles for success.